In this video we have to make x the subject of formula, and we have square root of 3x is equal to y. So we will take square of both sides. So we have square root of 3x is equal to y square. We know that square root means something raised to the power 2. So we have 3x in the square root, so we have 3x whole power 1 upon 2, and then we will write this 2 over here, and square of y is y square. We know that if we have x raised to the power m raised to the power n, then we will multiply these powers. So we have x raised to the power m multiplied by n. So here we can see that we have 3x whole power 1 upon 2 and then whole power 2. So we will multiply these powers. So we have 3x whole power 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to y square. Now we can cancel this 2 and 2. So we have 3x to the power 1 is equal to y square. Anything raised to the power 1 is again the same thing. For example, a raised to the power 1 is equal to a. So 3x whole raised to the power 1 is equal to 3x. So we have 3x is equal to y square. Now here 3 is multiplying on this side. So when we take this 3 on the other side of equation, so it will divide y square. So x is equal to y square upon 3, and here we can see that x is the subject of equation, because we have x on one side of the equation and y square upon 3 on the other side of equation. So x is the subject of this equation.